Ever heard of a handpan? It's this weird, crazy, ancient UFO-looking instrument, and it was actually surprisingly only invented in the year 2000. First time I heard it, completely fell in love with it and started using it in my own music. Today, I'm bringing you a completely free sample pack of a handpan in the D chord scale. It's basically a D natural minor scale, and you can download it in the link below. If you do download it, share the video, subscribe to the channel, make some music with it, send them over to me, I'd love to hear them. Happy creating and see you guys next week.